Very good afternoon to all. So this is the discussion forum on engineering drawing. In this discussion forum, we have completed till third unit, that is development of surface. Section of solids also we completed, is completed, and planes and lines and points are completed. In this discussion forum, you may ask your doubt, or you can ask where it is been applied. You can ask where how to use this engineering drawing knowledge in my subject, like that you may ask. So even though in even in your notebook also, whatever I thought you may have drawn, from the notebook also you may not have noticed when I was teaching you. That doubt also you can ask. So it's open to all. Please ask the question. So as her doubt is which pencil to use for the development of surface. So you can notice in the development of surface, the portion which is removed, the yellow color which is removed in the development, which is drawn by using 2H. The portion which is existing, that is drawn by that pink color or rose color, which is existing, which is drawn by using HB pencil. And here in the simple portion also, the object which is existing drawn by HB pencil, object which is removed is drawn by 2H pencil. The hatching line you can use by either 2H or H, so you should not tear the paper, hence you can use 2H pencil. Okay, next question. What is the application of section of solids? Section of solids, very good question. So when you have an object in your hand, you may have several objects, even you take a watch. You may not know after cutting it what will be inside. So you may see the TV ads inside the engine how the pistons are moving after filling the lubrication oil. Hope you all seen that, correct? The lubrication, after filling the lubrication oil, the piston moving faster. Without lubrication oil, the piston throttling, that means which is slower in action. So that view you can see as if it is cut and you are inside the engine. That is the sectional view. That's a simulation actually. So that imagination you may not get in your mind. When we cut, what will happen inside? So that imagination you can increase through the section of line. So when you cut, what portion is existing, what portion is removed. For example, in the diagram, this is the portion removed. If it is removed, when I see from the top, what will be available? So this is the shape you can see from the top. The section of view which is shown in here is in the hatching line. Okay, next question. Yes, very good question. Because, sit down. Pencil is the heart of the drawing. Because after completing the diagram, the person who is going to see your diagram should understand. Okay, what for you are getting ticket in the bus? It states that you paid for the travel and you have authenticity to travel from this point to another point. So you can, that conductor may get down, or you can claim the same amount from your office also. You can claim the same amount from your, you can write it in your pen, you can keep the ticket also for future reference. So as we know already, engineering drawing is a communication between engineers, two countries. For example, we are giving order to China, Russia, that person able to read. So it should be drawn used by using a proper appropriate pencil, so that he can assure that your communication is correct. If you are not communicating properly, the person who is going to read your subject or going to speak with your drawing may not understand. So that is why there is a standard for this object must use HB. For dimensioning, we should use the HB pencil. For projection line, we should use 2H. For daughter line, we should use 2H. And center axis line, we should use this kind of line. So thus, that line we have to follow as per the BIS standard. Okay, next question. Any question from your side? ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கும் எந்திரிச்சு கேளுங்க, ஒன்றும் தப்பு இல்லை. CN, this CNP is cutting plane. CN plane is a cutting plane. I am cutting it, so that should be represented in the diagram. It should be shown in the diagram. So I named it as CP. You can name it as SP also. You can name it as XX also, as you like. But it should be indicated where I am cutting. That should be indicated. That should be indicated. So question from the end. HB pencil is hard and plain. Okay. So 2H pencil is hard. Okay. HB is hard and bright, and 2H is, H means hard. H means hard, B means bright. Okay. So you can rate it. We can say like this. Here H, 2H, 3H. That means thin, thinner, thinnermost. Same way HB is normal. HB is normal. Same way B. B means bold. 2B means more bold. 3B means bolder than bold. So this is the pencil segregation. You should use appropriate pencil for the diagram. Since you are a beginner, you must use the pencil as I indicated, as I taught in the classroom also. But when you complete this engineering drawing course with HB pencil itself, you will have control over the pencil. Using a same HB pencil, you can draw like 2H, you can draw like H, you can draw like 2B. 2B means brighter than bright. Okay, so these are the segregation of the pencil. Okay, thank you very much.